I forgot that you guys are here. Sorry. So, hi, my name is Yuki, and I'm a new person in the Roblox world. So, don't even know I just know cute names. Like, no, I just like. Okay, and by the way, I could take 2 of them. I mean, 3 of them. Oh, yes. Maximum I can take. And, yeah, I know, man. Strawberry Mochi, right up to you. This is me. I know I'm kind of ugly, but I don't care. Oh, sorry. What do you want? So sorry, ma'am. I got distracted a lot. Okay. Oh, by the way, what's that room in front of me? Oh, that. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is our research room. I don't know about Mochi that much, so yeah. Anyways, strawberry Mochi. Okay, shut up. Okay. Then strawberry. Delightful to eat this mochi. This is good. Great to hear that, miss. Anyway. Okay. Woo. Why? Hi. Well, I like a mochi mochi, please. Coming right up. Okay, we both would like strawberry mochi. Right, my bro? Affirmative. Let's get our mochi. Okay, that was mean. But anyway. I feel bad for them. Those guys who are getting hit by pans. I don't know why the managers are just so. Anyways, I have a fun fact. Anyways, I'm gonna pour up these things just so hard enough right now. Okay, so wait. Okay. So here it is. Did you get the money? Oh, I'm so rich. Dang. Oh, I got those too. For you guys. Sorry. Whew. Anyways, what are all these people? So you guys, okay. Yippee, now we got a lot. Okay, so anyways, I'm just gonna collect all these cash. I'm like swimming in money right now. Ooh. What to do? And this all leads to this. The third freaking I would just love it's too expensive. Ooh, I just got away with it. Oh, it's 9. Wait, I don't see the sun. So why is it shining? Anyways, I'm just gonna jump off. Okay. Let me just throw some garbage away. This one is supposed to be. Asking this person for help. So okay, wait, guys. So I was just okay. Let's check out this one. Oh, she was just starting. Okay, guys, I've been not talking for a while, and I've been trying to act nice, and nobody does. Okay, I'm just trying to be rich here and all, and I just get you. A lot happens. Oh no! Blueberry mochi. Ooh. Ooh. Blueberry mochi. That's how it works. The same. Why? Okay, so anyways, I started along. Okay, anyways, guys, bye.